Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. My favorite type of black tea is Earl Grey. I just absolutely love that bergamot flavor and I can't get enough. This one from Harney and Sons is so delicious.
This tea feels like you are receiving a warm hug. It is so comforting and it just has such a beautiful flavor and a beautiful aroma. I really love how these bags are little individually wrapped sachets that have the loose leaf tea in them. So I don't know, they just seem to give a lot more flavor to me. I love, of course, how easy this is to steep just a couple of minutes in your hot water, and you are left with that rich, delicious bergamot flavor. I love to add a little bit of milk and sugar to this type of tea, and it is the perfect pick-me-up, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon. I just absolutely love it.
So if you're looking for that smooth and delicious Earl Grey flavor, definitely try this one from Harney and Sons. That's my point of view.